Hello, welcome to the Southern Bible Thumper channel. We are beginning a new book of the Bible, Second Kings. So, at the beginning of each book, I want to make it a habit to reintroduce the sources used for this channel. The first source is the hard copy of the King James Bible. Having a hard copy of the Bible is very important because once the copy is in your hands, it can no longer be modified or corrupted. And that's the only downside with digital resources. Some of the pages. This was copyrighted in 1990. Where I'm from, it's very traditional to have pages like presented to, um, marriage, pages to record the families of the bride and groom, births and deaths, births and marriages, and then deaths. There's also a table of contents in here. I'm sorry, that's the title page. The importance of the title page is to find information like the version, publisher, and copyright year. That this would become important if you were doing a research paper or uh, some sort of academic work. You would need information like this to have the most accurate uh, citation. The table of contents is important to help locate where books of the Bible begin. There's also tools at the bottom, and these tools are units of measurement because we are talking about uh, antiquated information. We have land maps, and then we also have the concordance. And the importance of a concordance is to help locate scriptures pertaining to certain terms. So, if you wanted to know scriptures about healing, you would look up the term healing, and under that heading, there would be scriptures that pertain to healing. So, that is our hard copy. Now, to review our digital resources, we have BibleGateway.com. I like to use this to read on screen. We're going to go to 2 Kings 1 by clicking Bible Book List. With this website, the first sentence of every chapter is displayed. If you want to view the versions available, you would click this. You could also click this. This website supports up to 5 parallels, and a parallel is a different translation. Once you reach the maximum amount, that icon disappears. For me, this is busy and difficult for my eyes to track, so this is why I don't use this website for that reason, for parallels. Also, having so many versions is overwhelming for me. BibleRef is my favorite tool. We're going to 2 Kings. This is how this website displays parallels. For me, this is perfect because this information is streamlined and just organized a bit better for my taste. Also, having only 7 translations is a finite number, and I don't feel overwhelmed when I have to use this. You can flip through the entire chapter this way. I find this very useful. Our third resource is Bible Hub, and I use this because our Bible is originally written in Hebrew, and every version is a translation. So I don't believe this is the original version, but this is the closest resource we have to the original Hebrew language. So to get to 2 Kings, first we're going to click Interlin because what we want are these characters and we want the language. Okay, in the beginning created God the heavens and the earth. Okay, so we're going to have to read from right to left, and the numbering and the punctuation is a bit different than what we're used to, but these characters are Hebrew. To get to 2 Kings, we're going to click here and click for chapter. So all of these are different translations, different versions, different tools. Again, this is overwhelming for me, so this is why I don't use that. So those are our digital resources.